Welcome to the first of 3 New Year's Eve videos where we make awesome sparkling wine cocktails. This is the Seelbach. So the Seelbach was created in 1995 by bartender Adam Seger at the Seelbach Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. He originally claimed that he had rediscovered a pre-prohibition cocktail that was the signature drink of the hotel, but this actually turned out to be a fake story just to give his drink some infamy. But nonetheless, it is a great cocktail, and it's going to start with 7 dashes of Angostura Bitters. A lot of bitters in this one. And of course, we are building this directly in a champagne flute. After that, we're going to add 7 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. So yeah, a whole lot of bitters in this one. If you like bitters, you're going to love this drink. Okay, after that, we're going to do 1 shot, 1 ounce of bourbon. I'm of course using Buffalo Trace. It's my go-to bourbon. Love that stuff. It's great for sipping. It's great for cocktails. But use whichever bourbon you want. After that, we've got 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Cointreau is the original orange liqueur that was used, but you can sub for triple sec or even curacao, whatever you got. Okay, lastly, we're going to top this guy off with some sparkling wine. Use the sparkling wine of your choice. I've got these little bottles of Prosecco here. You don't need to use something fancy. If you're making a bunch of these, then yeah, get a big fancy bottle of champagne, but if you're making one, grab a tiny bottle. I was a little disappointed with these bottles here. It looked like there was an actual cork, but it was just like a fake cork tease. But yes, top off with some sparkling wine. It didn't bubble that much either. I was surprised. Usually you get a lot more bubbles. This was not the best sparkling wine. Now, since we have a lot of bitters in here, I would recommend using a sweeter sparkling wine, but of course that's up to you. For garnish, we're going to grab ourselves an orange and grab a channel knife, and we're going to do a nice long twist. We've done this before, so we're going to go around the orange, grab a long twist. It doesn't have to be super long. And then we're going to grab a straw. Could be a skewer, could be anything really, but we need something. We're going to wrap it around nice and tight. Don't go too tight because these peels can be pretty brittle. You don't want to rip it, but you do want to get it around pretty tight. And once you've got it wrapped, you're going to kind of twist and pull. And the idea here is that once you unwind it, it's going to hold that twisty shape. And then you've got a nice garnish for your Seelbach. I don't know. And there you have it. There's the drink. Now, to me, the best way to describe this drink is it tastes like a sparkling Sazerac. I mean, it's got all those old-fashioned elements in there. You got whiskey, you've got bitters, you've got a little bit of orange from the Cointreau and the peel. And because of the Peychaud's bitters, it really feels like a Sazerac, but you've got that nice addition of the sparkling wine. So yeah, sparkling Sazerac. So if you really like old fashions, but it's New Year's Eve and you want to spice things up, I recommend this cocktail. You'll love it. So make yourself a Seelbach this New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching, guys. We still have 2 more sparkling wine cocktails coming up. We are doing the Bellini tomorrow, so stick around and we will see you then. Cheers.